Our workout today is going to be a partner workout. You'll be alternating rounds with your partner until you've completed 20 total rounds. That's 10 each. Now, if you're by yourself and you're doing this solo, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and complete one round, and the amount of time that it took you to complete that round, you'll go ahead and rest. We'll go back and forth until you've completed 10 rounds. It'll be a 1-to-1 rest ratio. But if you're doing this with a partner, you're going to have to alternate back and forth. The workout starts off with 5 wall balls, and this is going to be 20 pounds for the men, 14 pounds for the women, and that's going to be 10 feet to the target for the men and 9 feet for the target for the women. We're going to be moving through this 5 quick reps, so choose a weight that allows you to get all 5 unbroken and all 5 fast. As soon as you finish those 5 wall balls, we're going over to the box, where today we have a higher box. It's 3 box jump overs. For the women, it's 24 inches, and for the men, it's 30. If you need to do step ups, you can go ahead and step up, but the requirement is going to be stepping on top with both feet and getting to the other side. Okay, so we need to stand all the way up at the top before you go ahead and get to the other side if we're doing step ups. Okay, so you can't just stay really low. Now, for the RX version, if you are going to hop up and on top, you do not need to extend over the top of the box. We can go ahead and jump, stay low, get to the other side. I do recommend stepping down, but if you'd like to hop, that's up to you today. And again, it's 30 inches for the men and 24 for the women. You have 3 reps. Every time you go over the top of the box, that's going to be a rep. And as soon as you finish your 3, you move on to your final movement in the round. And that's going to be a squat clean. We're going to go ahead and try to make this as heavy as you can. It's going to be 185 for the men and 135 for the women, getting that full squat clean, full stand up. And then you can go ahead and put that bar down. As soon as you finish that extension on the stand up for the squat clean, that's your kind of signal for your partner to go ahead and start the wall balls. So there is no tag that's necessary. All right, but it is going to move a little on the faster side. I do expect this workout to take about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So that's what we're looking for, 10 to 15 minutes, moving through this as quickly as we can. Again, as soon as you stand all the way up, that's that signal for your partner to go ahead and start their wall balls. This workout, I think, is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to challenge you. Don't choose that squat clean weight that's super light. All right, I want you to choose a weight that's challenging, that you know you can make, but it kind of makes you kind of squeamish because you know that you ought to get all the components right to make it feel really good. Okay, that's what we're looking for here today, and we want to try to keep that speed up. All right, so when it's your turn to go, turn on the burners and don't look back.